Good day, everyone!
Uy! Videohe ko! Saksi mo, ha? Agoy! Makapasar ka! So today, we are going to graph a problem of an ellipse. Speaking of ellipse, do you know what is ellipse? An ellipse is a closed plane curve that results from the intersection of a plane cutting through a cone. In other words, it's an oval. And now, let's proceed to our main core. We will graph a problem of an ellipse using Desmos app and determine either it is vertical or horizontal ellipse. Let's take a look of the given problem. A grade 11 classroom is located 7 meters up and 5 meters left from the gate. The building have 25 meters length and 16 meters width. Is it horizontally or vertically elongated? So as we can see in the problem, the grade 11 building is located 7 meters up and then 5 meters to the left. It represents the center is represented by the length is 25 and the width is 16. After determining the values of center represented by the building is at -5 and 7 and a squared and b squared that is represented by the length and width of the building. We are going to find the vertex, major vertices, minor vertices, foci, A and B. Before that, we need to first make it into a standard form of an ellipse. Because it is a horizontally elongated ellipse, the standard form is x plus 5 squared over 25 plus y minus 7 squared over 16 is equals to 1. First, for our vertex, the center is -5 plus 7. Second is for our A and B, for us to find the major and minor vertices. As we all know that A is greater than B. So our A squared is 25, which is our A is 5, and B squared is 16, which is our B is 4. Third, for our major and minor vertices, foci have two equations, one for vertical and horizontal. The vertical equation is h and k plus -a, h plus b and k in the minor vertices, and h plus -c and k for the foci. And for the equation of a horizontal ellipse is h plus -a and k, and h and k plus -b for the minor vertices. Because the ellipse is horizontal, we will use the equation of a horizontal ellipse. Our major vertices are -5 plus -5 and 7. This is going to be 0 and 7 and -10 and 7. For the minor vertices, -5 and 7 plus -4, this is going to be -5 and 11, -5 and 3. And for the foci, -5 plus -3 and 7, this is going to be -2 and 7 and -7 and 7. After finding out the vertex, minor and major vertices, and foci, we are set to start graphing our ellipse.
First, let us open the Desmos app. Next, press the menu button and find the equation of an ellipse to graph our ellipse. After that, change the standard form to a horizontal ellipse of a standard form, because we are graphing a horizontal ellipse with a center at h and k. Put a slider for h and k for their values. Before putting the values of h, k, a, b, and c, first put our vertex, which is -5 and 7. Next, we have to put the values of h, k, a, b, and c. Then, add sliders to put the equation of major, minor vertices and foci in a horizontal equation. There we have it! We have now the graph of our ellipse.